They say that in the world of true influence, the most important conversations happen in small rooms, behind closed doors, among a select few who see the world differently. Well, today, this is our room. I am Vincent B. Francois, and I'm recording this because we have officially welcomed our first 50 subscribers to the Opulent class. To those of you who hit that subscribe button today, last week, or a month ago, thank you. You aren't just a metric to us, you are the vanguard. You see the potential of this vision before the rest, and that is a rare intuition I deeply respect. Our ambition here is not merely to showcase luxury. The world has enough nouveau riche noise. Our goal is much more surgical. Together, we are going to demystify the psychology and the hidden codes of the exclusive billionaire class and the modern aristocrats. The people who don't need to shout to be heard.
We are here to study the practitioners of stealth wealth, the quiet power that moves the world from the shadows. As we grow together. This channel is a journey into the high-value mindset, refining our tastes, our speech, and our social intelligence. You are here at the foundation of something that I believe will redefine how we understand status and success. Thank you for believing in the potential of this channel so early in our journey. Stay observant, stay refined, and above all, stay silent about the things that matter most. We are just getting started.